when I came into this training, I had like really bad low back pain, like pretty much pain ever in my body, like starting from my feet all the way up. It felt like my whole body was falling apart. And so I came from doing physical therapy for a couple weeks, almost a month, and I had almost zero result. It was like pretty much working backwards the entire time. So when I started doing this, it was like a completely different thing. And
So when you did the PT, they didn't ask you like what you feel in the body after
no,
the
not at all.
exercise.
No, it's just they give you an exercise to do and they guide you through it, and then that's it. It's not very specialized at all.
Okay. Well, we don't do that here because every exercise we do, we ask you for a feedback.
Yeah.
And every week we have a tracking of your fascial adhesions.
Yeah,
And
in physical therapy, there's no tracking of anything.
okay, so that's very hard to get results if they don't track anything. It's
Yeah.
like how do you know, right? How do you know that which part you need to work more and what imbalance you have? So how's your back now after 12 weeks?
Uh, Much better.
So
There's definitely still work to be done, but much better.
so we started with you actually took the group coaching first,
Yeah.
right? And you did like that result, so then you upgraded to the one-on-one coaching.
Yeah, I got much better result here. And the group coaching, it felt like it wasn't as specialized, so there was more guesswork. But here, I feel it's much more personalized, and we definitely got a lot more done.
Gotcha. And what week did you start to see good, really good results and your glutes connection is building up?
Probably like week 7 or 8.
Okay, good.
My family is more understanding of this training now because I showed it to them.
Okay.